My home Taksha T32004 to show you a unique interiors made by none other than Faithwood Interiors. So let's go for a journey. Whoa, such a cute bedroom. Do you think any kid won't like this room? Here we have given blue and pink color combination with small cute elements like rainbows, clouds and mini hearts. In the wardrobe, the sliding handles and knobs are given in rose gold color. Welcome to our stunning master bedroom, adorned with harmonious blend of elegant white and captivative blue halls. Behold the breathtaking aesthetic created by the wardrobes, complementing by the mesmerizing wallpaper and strangling fashion blue blinds. Additionally, nestled graceful within the divine sanctuary, a mirror adorned with smart light technology further amplifies the allure, while a position storage unit is admirable to your partial needs. Such a mature, luxurious aura, a sleek, monochromatic wardrobe, a color combination scheme of elegant grey, white and black. The spotlighting adds emphasis to excellent display in the showcase area. This is another TV unit where we have given beautiful polygranite sheet with rose gold strips back top, and lighting is given in the back. The whole area is color coded with wallpaper, and we can see the spotlights are highlighting the wallpapers and the curtains. Wow, the complete kitchen is in black and white color. We highlighted a small unit with brown color for the oomph effect. We use lights in overhead and other required areas. We are one of the best interior designers in Kokapet. Currently, we are doing 4 projects in my home Taksha alone. Hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe, and do call us or WhatsApp if you have any requirements, and make your home beautiful.